This tutorial will include the following: changing static bank information, enabling EFT amendment journals, capturing EFT control details for an existing bank, copying an EFT remittance format, and lastly, check print requirement by bank definition. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at banks in the Accounts Payable module. So let's get started. This tutorial will include the following: changing static bank information, enabling EFT amendment journals, capturing EFT control details for an existing bank, copying an EFT remittance format, and lastly, check print requirement by bank definition.
Dear Sandra, please note that our telephone number has changed to 555-8678 with immediate effect. Regards, Customer Services, Global Bank.
So we're going to start by first going to the Accounts Payable module. So right there, and we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to go to Banks. Okay, I'm just going to make this bigger. And here, if you are making changes to a bank that already exists, you can scroll for the bank by clicking on the magnifying glass. Or if you are adding a new bank, you could just say new and enter the bank name or the bank code. For example, let's say AC and tap off, and then we can enter the details of this bank. The bank name, the bank account, as well as the next check number and so forth. However, in this example, we are making changes to a bank that already exists. So we're going to scroll for the bank and we're going to select and we're going to tap off. Okay, so we are making changes. Let's say, for example, the telephone number has changed and we're going to change a couple of digits in this number just to make changes. And we are going to save. And we're going to close this program.
Hi Sandra, I have decided to start paying suppliers electronically. Please, can you enable the EFT setup option to track beneficiary amendment journals? Thanks, Pierre Dalen.
So we're going to start by coming here on the ribbon bar and we're going to go to Setup and we're going to go to Setup Options. We're going to say OK and we're going to just close this for now, and we're going to come here on Preferences. We're going to select there and we're going to select Financials. And we're going to go all the way down to electronic fund transfer. And right there on amendment journals required, we're going to select yes with additions. And let's select. And when you're done, you can save and exit, and then you can exit the program.
Hi Sandra, I have decided to enable EFT payments via Global Bank. Please can you enable this? The next EFT number we will be using is 5,000. Thanks, Pierre Dalen.
So we're going to again go to the Accounts Payable module and we're going to go to Setup and we're going to go to Banks. And here you can type in the bank or you can scroll for one. So I'm just going to type in the bank code and I'm going to tap off. And there we have the Global Bank, and I'm going to come all the way to the EFT options, and there on EFT payments required, I'm going to take that box and I'm going to tap off, and next EFT number, I'm going to enter the number given as per the email, and we're going to make sure that it is on detail posting, and we're going to then save. So we're going to come here on the global statement narration, and we're going to type in payment from the outdoors company, and we're going to tap off. And here on EFT options, we're going to then take this box, output EFT payments to XML format, and we're going to take that box. And there, as you can see, the path location is client. And here we're going to paste the XML file path. So or you can scroll, browse for one. So in my case, I'm just going to paste right there, and I'm going to tap off. And here we're going to make sure that the XML output structure is by invoice, and we're going to save. There you have it, and we can close the program. So we're going to again go to accounts payable, and we're going to go to setup, and this time we are looking for AP check format. Going to select there, and here we're going to enter our bank code. So in this example is CB, and we're going to tap off, and we're going to then make sure that this box is ticked, and we're going to come all the way down here on the general tab, and we're going to make sure that the remittance preferences is selected, and we're going to come down here to copy format. And here we're going to then put in the bank code for the bank that we want to copy from. So FB, and we're going to tap off, and we're going to say OK, and we're going to save, and we're going to close the program. Okay, so we're going to start by going to setup, and we're going to go to setup options. Just going to say OK here. And the first thing that you will do is go to configuration, and you're going to go to financial, and you're going to then select accounts payable. So you're going to come to the check print requirement, and because you're setting it on bank level, you're going to then select defined by bank. That means for every bank, you're going to then select your printing requirements for that specific bank in the bank's maintenance program. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm going to then save and exit, and then I'm going to close the program. We have reached the end of today's video. Please be sure to like, comment which videos you'd like to see next, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Connect with us on our LinkedIn page. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.